Now we study the second part of lesson number 4, puzzles in your surrounding. In this lesson we learn about hailstone. Student, the small balls of ice are called hailstone. The definition of hailstone is the small balls of ice are called hailstone. Student, we feel very hot in summer. Okay, and suddenly what happened? There are clouds in the sky and it start raining. Not just raining, but the small balls of ice, we say it has started hailing. The small balls of ice are called hailing. Okay, now I will show you some picture of hailstones. See here student, the picture of hailstone, very big, just like a ice cube. Okay, this is the picture of hailstones. Now we will see the answer of the question, why does it hail even in summer? As we move up from the land, the temperature begins to fall. Up in the sky, it is very cold even in the hot season. You know that there are water particles in the clouds that we see in the sky. Very high up in the sky, the water particles in the clouds turn into little bits of ice. Okay. Now, however, we are going up, the water particles in the clouds turn into the little bits of ice. Okay. This is the answer of our question. Sometimes there are strong winds in the clouds. They push these little bits of ice upward. So, they do not fall to the ground. They go up and collect more water particles which freeze onto them. Thus, the tiny balls get bigger and bigger. They turn into hailstone. The heavy hailstones then fall to the ground in the form of a shower. It's just like falling as a shower. Very tiny hailstones melt before they reach the ground because they are falling very high up the sky. So when it comes down, the balls reach the ground, they are very small. They melt it up. They turn into raindrops. They transfer into raindrops. But some hailstones reach ice ground before they melt. A light shower of hail can be great fun. But a hailstorm, it's another word. Hailstone is there. We learn about hailstone. Here comes hailstorm. Can cause great damage to crop, plant and animal. It's very bad to see student in our Maharashtra. It happened in our Maharashtra in 2014. The hailstorms damage all the crops, fruits, and it is also damage all the birds and animals were killed and injured because of strong hailstorms. Okay, hailstorms it also considered in the great natural calamity. Now I will show you some examples of natural calamities. These are some examples of natural calamities. Okay. For example, floods are there, earthquake, tsunami. Okay. These all comes in natural calamities. These are some examples of natural calamities, natural disasters. Now we see answers of some question. First question is, where do flowers get their color from? First of all, see here student, some flowers. Okay, there are different colors of flower. Some are in yellow color, some are in white color. Okay, see here, very beautiful pink in color, reddish. Okay, these are, see here, the faint pink color flower. Okay, now we comes to know how the flower get their colors. Okay, answer is written here. See here student. Flowers get colors mainly from the pigments called anthocyanin, which are in the class of chemical called And so much questions comes in your mind, right? For example, where do flowers get their color from? See here, different types of flowers. Okay, these flowers are yellow in color. These are purple in color. See the shades of flowers. These are white in color. Okay, and see here, very beautiful faint pink, baby pink color flower. Now it comes in your mind, where all these flowers get the color? See the answer. Flower gets colors mainly from the pigments called anthocyanin, which are in the class of chemical called flavonoids, what gives plants their colors. Okay. Now student, more question comes in your mind about the leaves. Okay, see, there are different types of leaves are there. Okay, some faint green color and some are dark green color. Now you get questions about why are leaves green. We find the answer, why are leaves green in color. Okay, see here student, answer is here. The most important of these chemicals called chlorophyll. Okay, the chemical are present in these leaves. It is also green in color and it's called in chemical language chlorophyll. So all the types of these leaves get green color. We learn the answer, why does chopping an onion make you cry? Isn't it? When you chop any onion, then you started crying. Why it happened? We see the answer. Onion consists amino acid sulfoxide. When we cut onion cell burst up, and because of that our eyes get irritated and make us cry. See here, practically this is an onion and which is inside the onion, it's called amino acid sulfoxide. Okay, when you cut the onion, you only do all this activity in presence of your parents. Don't do it individual. When we cut the onion, it bursts out. The cells which is present inside the onion, all these cells burst up, and because of these cells, our eyes get irritated and make us cry. There is nothing any magic, student. When you learn science very briefly, then you get every answers of your every questions. So always give chance to your mind, always allow your mind to ask questions, and always very curious about the you are getting the answers of your questions. Okay, curiosity is always there. So always remember, when you ask question, then always be ready to find out answer of these questions. It is all giving in your science book. Okay, so write down some questions whichever comes in your mind and find out the answers with the help of your parents, teacher. Otherwise you also take the help of our new technology and write down this answer in your science book, which is called the book of science. Okay,
No.
hope you all enjoyed this experiment and information. Now today's homework is, write down the definition of hailstone 5 times and also write down question and answers. Where do flowers get their color from? Write down question and answer. Learn it by heart. Why are leaves green? Write down second question and their answer. And also write down the question, why does chopping an onion make you cry? Write the question and answer and learn it properly. Thank you.